Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make kaftan dress from an old dupatta that I am not using anymore, and it's a very easy method. You just have to make the neckline and stitch the two side seams, and that's it. I'll show you how. So this is an old dupatta I have and I'm not using it. First of all, hem all of its four sides, both the longer and the wider, or you can also attach less if you want. So finish all the four sides first, and then fold the fabric widthwise first. So I folded the width of the fabric and then fold it again. Folding the fabric this way will be helpful to mark and cut the neckline. So I folded it, as you can see here. The folded side is here in front of me, and this will be the center of our dress, and these are the sleeves and the shoulders. So we'll mark these shoulders and sleeves and the center by pressing. So we'll press hard to mark these sides, and now we'll mark for the neckline here. This is the center of our dress. So for neck width I'm marking at 3 inch, and for neck depth I'm marking at 5 inches, and for back neck depth I'm marking at 2 inch. So make a round neckline shape like this and cut here first the back neckline, and then take only the front part of the dress, this piece only, this piece, and cut the front neckline here. That's why we fold it this way. When we'll open it, it will be a circle, and we mark the shoulders by pressing. We'll give it a mark with a chalk. So this will be back neckline. We'll take a bias strip, and this is 1.5 inches wide. Fold it and place it on the neckline with raw edges outwards and stitch all the way around. As it is a bias strip, so it is easy to stitch it on a circle. So this is our neckline, these are the shoulders, this is the center back. So we'll start attaching the strip at the center back. This is our bias strip. Fold it, place it there, and the width of the strip on the folded side should be equal to the width of piping you want. Just keep in mind that it should be a bias strip. I attached 2-3 short strips together to make it longer, and when we'll come to the end where we started, we'll join both the ends together like this. Keeping the margin, we'll trim extra fabric and then join these ends first, matching right sides together. And then complete the stitch line. So after attaching the strip on the wrong side of the fabric, we'll trim extra margin first. Trim it very close to the stitch line, and then we'll fold it to the right side like this. So it will be very nicely done. Top stitch here. It's a very easy and neat method of attaching piping on the necklines. So our neckline is done. Front and the back, you can see here, it's looking very nice. And now we have just to stitch the two side seams, and for that we'll fold it this way now. So I folded it. Our shoulders are at 7.5 inch. We'll just mark it, and at here we'll mark for armhole, that is at 7.5 inch. but we won't give a shape for front or back armhole. We'll just make these lines, and at 14 inches we'll draw another line where we mark for the waist. At this line we'll mark for the chest first. 1/4 of the chest is 9 inch in my case, and 1/4 of the waist is 8 inches here, so I'm marking at these 2 points. And now join these two and join this waist mark to the corner, and that's it. So this is the marking. We'll attach pins here first. It will be very helpful to stitch the side seam if you pin the fabric first. Now we'll give the same marks on the other side as well. This is the chest mark, this is the waist mark, and join the waist mark to the corner. So this will be the stitch line. We'll pin the fabric here as well. Keep one thing in mind, that this is the right side of our dress and we'll stitch on the right side, not on the wrong side. So we'll simply top stitch from the chest mark to the corner, and here as well. This is the right side of the dress and the stitch lines are made on the right side in kaftan, right? So this is the chest mark. We'll remove the pin and start our stitch line. It will be very easy to stitch here because we have pinned both the fabrics, they are in place. We'll simply remove the pins and stitch on the marks we made. Do the same on the other side. And that's it. So you just made the neckline and stitch the two side seams and your kaftan is ready. It was very easy to make it. It takes only 15 minutes to make it, and you can see the result. And when worn, it was looking even nicer. You can carry it with jeans. So try today and tell me in the comment how it goes. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe my channel if you are new here, and press the bell icon so you will get notification on every new upload. Thank you so much for watching, and Allah Hafiz till the next video.